Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to get the most out of Bluey Let's Play using its free content and features. So first you need to make sure your game is updated. Then explore the different areas, activities and characters already available in the game. Then check for daily rewards, events or other free activities that may provide additional content. You should also look at the game's menus and announcements after each update because new content may be added over time. And if something is clearly marked as paid content, then there isn't a legitimate trick that unlocks everything for free. So you need to avoid modified game files, hacked APKs, or so-called unlock tools. Apart from security risks, unofficial versions can damage your game installation or prevent you from receiving future updates. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.